Do you have to be rich to have whole life insurance or for it to really work for you? Because this is a common question. It comes up quite a bit, mainly because big banks, corporations, and the ultra wealthy use it. They have so much cash value life insurance on their books where it's even a case, it's their number one asset. So to answer your question, do I have to be rich to have a policy? No, not at all. What's interesting, and it fascinates me how this is still not well known considering how long whole life insurance policies have been in existence, is whether I'm a guy paying in a couple $100s a month or a couple $100,000 per month, is you have the exact same capability to choose where your money's going. If I'm paying a couple $100s in, that money can go towards the premium or it can go directly into PUAs, which accelerate my cash value. Same thing if I'm putting in a couple $100,000 per month. The thing is, if the ratios are the same, not to get too technical on you, but if I'm putting in $100 a month and I have $10 going towards premium, 90 toward PUAs to build cash value, or if I'm putting in $100,000 per month and I have $10,000 towards premium, $90,000 towards PUAs, if I'm optimizing it from a ratio standpoint, you will see very similar cash values, very similar cash value yields. The difference is going to be the dollar figure. That's the main difference there. If things are set up identical from a ratio standpoint, doesn't matter how much we're paying in. So do I have to be rich? No. Do I have to be educated or have someone who's willing to set it up properly for me? Yes. Hey guys, Steve Parisi here. If you enjoyed the content you just saw, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for future videos. If you'd like more information or to see some custom policies for yourself, feel free to call or email our offices at the contact information below.